Alright, it is Saturday, July 8th. It's about 10:45 in the morning. I'm heading back out on the canal. We're going to go west up the canal. The other few times I've been out, we've gone east on the canal. We're going to go west on the canal towards the Niagara River, just to change things up, see how the fishing is up that way. The girls are out for Gabrielle's little bachelorette, I guess you would call it, bachelorette outing. They're going to the wine tasting, so that's how I got out on a Saturday. The missus and Ashley, Teresa and Ashley, and Andrew's folks are the girls anyways, are taking Gabrielle out on a little wine tasting thing down in Chautauqua County. So figuring, well, while I can, I'll get out and do some fishing. Whoa! So that's where we're at now. Just got out. Any action? Has it? Yeah. Just got out now. Killed my morning, but hey, feet sitting around the house. Thanks. So. Paddled up the canal towards the river, about 20 minutes. Got to where I like to start fishing. Niagara River's out that way. It's the mouth of where the canal meets the river, right down there. Right down there is where the canal meets the river. Fishing here. Oops, good. We're going to start fishing here and drift back the way we came. Right away. Oh, nice one. Changed lures to that little short fat one and I got a fish right away. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, big rock bass. Wow. Nice size rock bass. Holy cow. That is a big fish for a rock bass. I got you. Hang on, buddy. Pretty good sized rock bass. Nice rock bass. Alright, I'm going to move back down the canal. There's just a ton of traffic. I don't want to be in the way. A lot of boat traffic. It's a Saturday, and this is super popular spot. So I'm going to go back down towards the launch and fish the edges where it's not so busy with boats.
How are you doing? Get out of here. Cool. Go on. How you doing?
How are you?
Good. That duck's been waiting for that. No way. First cast. Another first, change the lure, first cast, fish. Oh yeah. Nice smallmouth. Really nice smallmouth. Holy cow. Come on, bitch, get in here.
Holy smokes. Wow. One cast, big smallmouth. Fourteen inch smallie. Alright, caught that nice smallmouth on a jointed Rapala. First cast after a lure change. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Yo, there we go. All right, it's 1 o'clock. I'm gonna call it a day. Caught 4 fish. Nice rock bass and a nice smallmouth, and then a small rock bass and a small smallmouth. So I'm gonna call it a day. Not bad for 2 hours. It's very busy out here on the canal though, on a Saturday. Paddle boaters, jet skis, boats, you name it. I'm gonna head into the dock, call it a day. See you later.